Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We react, review, we make fun of, we laugh at stuff over here. Links in the description if you want to support the channel. We'd appreciate a donation or go buy something from www.mcclures.store. We sell quality American products there. Get you a collectible, buy you some car soap, get you makeup, I don't know, buy something. Requested, Upchurch, Monroe. I've been a fan of Upchurch for a long time. Never heard this song before. The post on YouTube says that this was found on SoundCloud, that he doesn't own the rights to it, but he uploaded it. And we're going to check it out. I've definitely never listened to Upchurch on SoundCloud. And this picture of Upchurch looks like he's still in high school. I mean, he's wearing a backpack and shit still. But look at his little baby face. Look at the little Upchurch baby face. How cute. So let's get into this. Upchurch, Monroe. I haven't heard some old Upchurch in a while, so this might be interesting to see what kind of sound this is. I'm curious. Okay, I was like, wait, did it freeze? What happened?
Tattoos, I got them. Girlfriends don't need those. Avalanche on every track. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros. Famous stars and strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitches, smell of Monroe. Tattoos, I got them. Girlfriends don't need those. Avalanche on every track. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros. Famous stars and strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitches, smell of Monroe. Got too many tattoos on my body. Look like I done killed somebody. Just know my arm with a drug get shotty. And the redneck man in the lobby. Looking for the beer in the motel party. Waiting for the cops to kick the door. Yelling, no, you drug addict. Looking asses, get your hands on the floor. My truck look like Mossy Oak. My bitch look like Brittany Jones. Got Jack and Coke in a solo cup. And it's Friday night, so you know I'm gone. I'm drunk as fuck and I'm high as shit. C71, Scott Jack and live. We in the sticks. Past picket fence. Might bust your ass with a crackman ridge. People digging me deep like a bucket drink. Y'all stuck like a two-wheel drive in a ditch. I'm the one that cannot be unhitched. No sales pitch. I'm back in the witch. Ille, kille. I'm twisting up a fillet. This Jack Daniels with a big buff. I'm gonna act really silly. Yeah, I'm bright like Tennessee stars at night. My Chico roots get me wanna fight. I was raised up a way, not take any shit. Always be the first to hit when I hit and talk shit. Big bucks, big trucks, brass knucks. What's up? I ain't never met a motherfucker like me. Come bring it on down, then come get some. Tattoos, I got them.
Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a different Upchurch. You can obviously hear that he's not as polished as he is now. But even back then, his writing skills are pretty incredible. You can even tell then. He doesn't necessarily have as good of delivery back then, obviously, as he does now with all the practice that he's gotten. But his pen game back then was still on point.
Girlfriends don't need those. Avalanche on every track. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros. Famous stars and strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitches, smell of Monroe. Tattoos, I got them. Girlfriends don't need those. Avalanche on every track. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros.
Alright, 4-time hook coming around.
I'm on my Freddy vs. Jason, boy. Make sure the NC never talk a toy. Nuts like a pack of almond joy. Built for tough, poor boy. Built to stick and destroy. Like a mossberg pump to a duck decoy. Fake shit to me never seems to take off. I call it no deploy. I think I'm Big Meech. Nah, TJ.
Yeah, see the difference like on that last song compared to this, even though this is early Upchurch writing, he stays on the same rhyme scheme for multiple bars, maybe goes to something else, and then transitions back to that old rhyme scheme. It keeps the cohesion to the song there. That last guy we were listening to, he stayed on rhyme scheme for like 2 bars at a time and then just completely changed it. So, yeah, listening to this right after makes me hear what that other guy was doing wrong even more. All right, I'll shut up. Let's finish this.
Hey, banks, black on black, Chevy Duramax, color country ways, going hard in the paint. Bringing on down K-Town, too loud for them sagging pants and that city slicking. I'ma told these ones away like me and David Jones was out just licking. Camo, got the ammo, no Lambo, streamline when I flow, let it go too cold. I'm the redneck, gonna go solo in all of my variety shows. Too fresh, going off, I love my high test, gonna give it me to my dime. Flesh, so survive on my thresh, I'm a backwoods mess with a Tennessee 615 address. I'ma put it down like Max Suppress, what I got to lose, nothing less. Asphalt cowboys, set it on my chest, them against me by the way I dress. What do I care? I fucking don't. Y'all make it rain, I'm a damn cyclone. Bad to the bone with a big ass ball, smoking like I'm with an Essence song. Tattoos, I got them. Girlfriends don't need those.
Okay.
Avalanche on every track. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros. Famous stars and strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitch, smell of Monroe. Tattoos, I got them. Girlfriends don't need those.
Pretty good hook. Pretty good.
Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros. Famous stars and strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitch, smell of Monroe.
Yeah, good thing it was a good hook because he did play it 6 times in that song. So good thing it was good. But this first verse is not him, I don't think. Who is this first person?
Avalanche on every track. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Not a con, but I got pros. Famous stars and strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitch, smell of Monroe. Tattoos, I got them. Ski mask, but I'm not froze. Strap clothes. Too bright, day glow. Fuck bad bitch, smell of Monroe. Got too many tattoos on my body. Look like I done.
Yeah, who's that? It almost sounds like what is his name? Oh, I'm drawing a blank on his name. He used to be signed to Aftermath. He sings that song Pop the Trunk. What is his name?
Kill somebody, just know my arm with a drug get shotty. And the redneck loud in the lobby, looking for the beer in the motel party. Waiting for the cops to keep the door, yelling, no, you drug addict. Looking asses, get your hands on the floor. Truck look like Mossy Oak, my bitch look like Brittany Jones. Got Jack and Coke. And
I don't know. I don't think that's Upchurch, though. If anybody knows who that first little verse is from, let me know. It doesn't sound like it's Upchurch, though. It doesn't sound like it's Upchurch. It sounds like it's somebody else. Yeah, so if you know who it is, let me know in the comments. I appreciate you guys stopping by for that one. Links down in the description if you want to support the channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We're getting into some Upchurch today. Do something about it. He just dropped this audio only a couple days ago. I'm late. We're slow. Flawed's already dropped a reaction to it. And I want to watch his. So we got to do my own before I can go watch his. I almost watch his reaction as my reaction to this video. Little Inception reaction. But I recently put out a reaction to Flawed's song Grateful. And used his recording to do that. So I kind of thought it would be, I don't know. Anyways, we're going straight to the video. Upchurch, do something about it. If you want to support the stream, links in the description. Leave a donation. Go buy something. Whatever. Let's get into this.
Church.
Church. Oh, another Kalani.
I ain't gotta say it, look at me, they know I'm famous. Watch my ass in gold trim, white marble in the cabin. You ain't heard? Me Picasso looking like it's Gatlinburg. Fireplace full of stone, cause I wish a crack of wood. I ain't even talking shit, but in the sticks it's understood. Roots run deep, still standing where I stood. I'm a Nashville, Tennessee, and mud caked on Europeans. Tent so damn dark, all the haters, I can't see them. Weeping willows round my house, I eat the shrooms and then I laugh it up. Pull out Schwarzenegger choppers, watch them hop a Briarfoot. I'm Captain River.
All right, so he's just spitting on this one. So far in the beginning, though, he's just letting you know what it is. Letting you know what it is. Upchurch doesn't flaunt very much for a rapper, which is pretty much like 90% of most of their music is just flaunting their shit. Upchurch doesn't do it very often. But he does every once in a while come out with a banger like this one, so everybody knows what it is and who he is.
Ratchet cut, and then I laugh it up. Pull out Schwarzenegger choppers, watch them hop a briar bush. I'm Captain River Ratchet, cuz ain't got hooks of magic, bro. If you don't give a damn, then we don't give a fuck. I'm the shit right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rocky top tier, born to climb a fucking mountain. And the smoky's only smoky cause my joints I stopped counting. I'ma be the shit forever, tell them do something about it. And I bet nobody really gonna do something about it. I ain't seeing nobody that'll do something about it. I don't really give a fuck if you come do something about it, cause it really don't matter if you do something about it. Hey, these motherfuckers on the internet speculate my pupil with, cause they ain't got no bitches and they driving daddy's whip. Oh, can I hold a 20? If not, they'll try to steal a mama didn't even try. Fuck a country song, nigga. And if cancer was a gun, give me that, I'll pull the trigger. Not merely bouncing up my brain, cause my brain waves are bigger. Superstar chewing tobacco, spit the most big dipper. All these rappers are my sons, I hope they shining blind million. I'm the shit right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rock's big dipper. All these rappers are my sons, I hope they shining blind million. I'm the shit right now, big dipper.
All these rappers are my sons. I hope they...
These rappers are my sons, I hope they shining blind million. I'm the shit.
I hope they shine a blind million. I didn't get it.
Right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rocky top tier, born to climb a fucking mountain. And the smoky's only smoky cause my joints I stopped counting. I'ma be the shit forever, tell them do something about it. And I bet nobody really gonna do something about it. I ain't seeing nobody that'll do something about it. I don't really give a fuck if you come do something about it, cause it really don't matter if you do something about it. I was born in the problem, sissy father, stupid ass mama, high school dropout, out roaming on my own as a lone rider. That's why I'm covered in tatted, cussing people when I wanna rub dirt on my scars and never even go to the doctor. A broken heart is damaged, but mine been broken a couple times. Now my shower fits a dozen dimes, a dozen keys to classic rides. I look in the mirror, then
My heart's been broken a dozen times, but now my shower fits a dozen. I seen a video of him showing the house that's fallen apart that they just built with an obnoxious shower. Or was that a video of him at Ghost Ranch? Maybe it was Ghost Ranch shower. It might have been Ghost Ranch when he was doing the tour to show the destruction. That's horrible what Church is going through with his fucking, what are supposed to be his peeps. Yeah, what's the bitch's name? Patty? Fuck Patty. Fuck Ron. Whatever his name is.
give myself a high five and point the Desert Eagle at my reflective side like move, right? I'm the shit right now, bitch, do something about it. Mr. Rocky top tier, born to climb a fucking mountain. And the smoky's only smoky cause my joints I stopped counting. I'ma be the shit forever, tell them do something about it. And I bet nobody really gonna do something about it. I ain't seeing nobody that'll do something about it. I don't really give a fuck if you come do something about it, cause it really don't matter if you do something about it.
The production on this is crazy. Shout out to Kalani on the beat. Always doing crazy stuff with the production. I was trying to, there's like a noise in the background towards the beginning. I'm not sure if it was there the whole time. I couldn't place it though. I couldn't place what it was. Shout out Upchurch, do something about it. This is going to be a great song for his next tour. Just a quick little banger, get people hyped, something they can, you know, kind of chant along with. Kind of got a rhythmic type chorus. Yeah, this is a banger. This is a banger. So this must have been something else that he did when he was down in Texas a while back. This guy makes music. This guy's crazy. He makes so much music. He has to just sit on it. Most people are scraping to get enough songs together for an album. He's having to throw them away. You know what I mean? That's crazy. Well, shout out to you, Upchurch. Links down in the description if you want to help support my channel. www.mcclures.store is the website if you want to buy quality American products. We got collectibles, we got cleaners, we got clothes, we got all kinds of stuff. Go check it out. It's all made in America. So if you buy anything there, you'll help support the country and help me feed my kids. So that's a plus too. If you're on the live, we're going to jump into the next Upchurch song. If you're not, you should be. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3:30 to 5:30, rumble.com/McClures. But yeah, we're going to get into the next Upchurch. This is a song I've actually heard before. A song called Middle of the Night.
When you're launching a new product
Brianna
with
Harris.
a tight deadline,
I don't know if you guys know about Brianna Harness. Oh, I don't know. I called her Harris. Brianna Harness is Struggle Jennings' daughter. I'm pretty sure that that's correct. Struggle Jennings' daughter. And she has an absolutely incredible voice. And it meshes with this song very well. Meshes with this song very, very well. So we're going to get into this one. I think you guys are going to like it. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Randall. This is the McClures. We react, review, we make fun of, we laugh at stuff. Upchurch featuring Brianna Harness. Middle of the Night official music video. We have already heard the music. I think we even put out a reaction to the song. If we didn't, we've definitely heard it. This whole album is a banger front to back. It's one of the best albums put out in a long time that you can just listen to the whole thing and not have to skip any. But this is the official music video to it. I seen some Instagram clips while they were making this in Upchurch's warehouse. They build their own sets and everything. So let's see how it turned out. Let's see how it turned out.
String me along like some pearls, pearls, pearls. And my heart too big, I wanna love, 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 but I end up hating me even more, more, more. Then I end up downtown in a twin turbo horse, revving up my engine at some Broadway girls. And say you wanna skirt some curves, I'm local to all gas and the heartbreak world. I ain't gonna call your phone in the middle of the night, needing conversation like you're some kind of lie. I ain't gonna think about you with another man dancing downtown to some replay jams. No, baby, I ain't gonna trip cause I only wear boots, safe with cowboy hats for the toys getting loose. Don't worry about me messing with your weekend life, cause I won't call your phone in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night,
Smoking on the job.
I'm a backwoods bandit, some don't understand it. I'm a star because the stars are truck bed and a blanket. Ladies love me cause my accent and I'm crazy. They go out in skirts, I offer outskirts and danger. Hard pouring rain, good thing I'm no stranger. Cruising through Music City with one in the chamber. Too out to tame, too long to stray. Living too fast to be anybody's second place. I ain't gonna call your phone in the middle of the night, needing conversation like you're some kind of lie.
Jailbreak.
I ain't gonna think about you with another man dancing downtown to some replay jams. No, baby, I ain't gonna trip cause I only wear boots, safe with cowboy hats for the toys getting loose. Don't worry about me messing with your weekend life, cause I won't call your phone in the middle of the
Don't try to call my phone in the middle of the night. If I ain't with you in the morning, don't hit me when the moon's bright. I've been riding around the city in my Mustang. shit twisted. I keep a 9 on my hip in case these bitches start tripping.
I ain't gonna call your phone in the middle.
She's here for all the smoke, here for all the smoke. Her voice is, it's very quiet but strong. I don't know if that makes any sense. It's very, like, subtle but powerful. Sorry about the pause, Brianna, with your one eye open, looking kind of weird. But yeah, she's bringing it. She's bringing it. She's got the 9 on the hip for the bitches talking shit.
Needing conversation like you're some kind of lie. I ain't gonna think about you with another man dancing downtown. Do some replay jams, no baby. I ain't gonna trip cause I only wear boots. Save the cowboy hats for the toys getting loose. Don't worry about me messing with your weekend life, cause I won't call your phone in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night, I won't call your phone.
He's out.
In the middle of the night.
Okay, so the whole prison break theme to the music video, which I didn't even pick up from the Instagram clips, that it was going to be a prison break type situation. But a beautiful song, very subtle, kind of slow song for Upchurch. Not a hard hitting, you know, banger or anything like that. But it is definitely on par. On par with what Upchurch does. He puts out good music consistently. And that's what he did here. And that's what he did here. So that's Middle of the Night, Upchurch, featuring Brianna Harness. Go check it out. Links in the description if you want to help support my channel. Leave a donation, leave a like, leave a comment, do all that good stuff. And we're live Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3:30 to 5:30, rumble.com/McClures.